Hey human, don't miss out on this fantastic recipe that combines the rich flavors of coffee with the natural sweetness of bananas. Let's embark on this delicious coffee adventure together. I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel. So, I'm gonna be starting this recipe. It's a delicious coffee with banana recipe that is a perfect blend for your morning. So I'm starting off by brewing my coffee. I love the flavor of coffee, and then when you combine it with other ingredients, oh my goodness, amazing. So I found this recipe online and I decided to give it a try. The ingredients are ripe bananas, coffee, milk, and ice cubes. So let's do this together. I am done brewing my coffee. Next, I will be doing is starting off with my banana mix, and that will be blending my bananas with my milk. I love to use 3 Crowns liquid milk because in my opinion, and like the company says, it is low in calories, so it's perfect if you're watching your cholesterol level. So blend all of that together into this really creamy texture. Look at that. And afterwards, we are going to be assembling all of this together. So I bring in my ice, and to this ice, I pour in my brewed coffee. Watch this. You want to be really careful. By the way, you're using cold coffee, not hot coffee, because you're pouring it over ice. And then we bring in our milk and banana mix to all of this. Oh my god, guys, you do not even want to know how this tasted. It tasted beautiful. Now let's caramelize our bananas with this method of sugar and flame. It's called flambe. Basically, it's just setting stuff on fire to bring out its best, and it's a French culinary technique. Basically, you're just saying this is flamboyant. All right, guys, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes, helpful cooking tips, beauty hacks, and inspirations for your culinary journeys. And there you have it, guys. I would like to appreciate you for watching, and I will say is cheers to a fantastic day with a cup of delightful coffee with banana creation. I love you.